I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to bookmark your favorite TikTok videos. TikTok is full of awesome videos that will make you laugh, cry, and occasionally teach you something. Because it's easy to move from one video to the next, it's easy to find yourself having to search for a video you saw previously that you want to watch again. Thankfully, TikTok makes it easy to bookmark videos so you can easily find them later. Now let's walk through the steps to bookmark your favorite videos on TikTok. Step 1. Navigate to the TikTok video you want to bookmark. Step 2. Hold your finger against the screen until a menu pops up and then tap Add to Favorites in that menu. The menu will close and you'll see a message letting you know this video has been bookmarked and added to your TikTok favorites. Step 3. You can find your bookmarked TikTok videos by tapping your profile icon on your TikTok home screen, tapping the bookmarked icon on the lower part of your profile screen, and then tapping Post. Your bookmarked TikTok videos will be displayed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.